Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. We have FabFitFun. This is the fall 2021 edition and I am an annual member, which means I get to customize the whole box. I love the fall theme. These are great inspirational colors for fall. So let's get into it. I will leave the total retail value of the box right here. And if you are not familiar with FabFitFun and you like what you see, I will leave a link so you can receive a free starter box. Sounds good? Well, let's get into it. Hey. Oof. I love all the leaves. Very nice. So we have our FabFitFun booklet, and then we have $15 off. I'll leave this code down below as well. That'll be first come, first serve. And let's get into this. I love FabFitFun. I've been with them forever. If I can find out where that information is or somebody can tell me, I will put it down there. Okay, so fall flavors. Let's see what's in your fall box. Look at how cool this looks. And there were lots of options. We have some fluff. And I'm gonna go by what they have on the site. We have 16 free meals, HelloFresh. So, oh gosh, I don't know how they do such a good job packing. So here's the Dutch oven. This is $44, 2.5 quarts. A Dutch oven is so fall and winter. Okay, see what we got. I'm loving this already. And not that deep, but it makes a nice little pot. The lid is in here. Very, very cute. I really, really like this. And then there's some instructions in here. Dishwasher safe, not microwave safe. Do not soak, steel rim. Okay, so this part right here. Very, very lovely. We have Coach. Oh my God, I think this is the first time I've gotten Coach in this box. So this is $125. Open circle necklace and T rose stud set. So here it is. I like the bag. I have a Coach backpack actually. So it looks authentic. So here we go. Here it is. Very, very pretty Coach. I really like that. Nice little present for myself. Okay, and then next, ooh, I always forget, which it's such a surprise. We have this Amanda Up Richard belt bag. This was $60. So basically it's a fanny pack. But look at it. It's like upgraded fanny pack. I like these blocks. They look like ice cubes. And the zipper. Very deep. And then there's a zipper back here. So you could definitely fit, like your phone would fit in there and whatever you need. Like if you're going to the amusement park or even just in the store, and there's the belt. Oh, I like it. Like it, like it, like it. What do we have next? Ooh, this hat. This is Hocus Pocus Buffalo Check baseball cap. $38. And you know, buffalo print is like so fall. So here it is, very rustic looking. Not really a cap type person, but okay, we can get with it. And then we have, ooh, food trivia. Food, drink trivia. I love this. This is after dinner. And it says 120 food and drink questions, which is really fun to play. For the foodies, this is $25. Let's see. And I do love trivia. We have Beautinique. This is the bundle that they had. So you had the Beautinique eye gels, which I've gotten before, really good. There are 4 individually wrapped masks in here. And then we have Restore, Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm, which is always nice to have. And then, what is this? Pip lunch pack. Okay. So this says it is it's like a bag, a reusable bag. So that's really cool. Pack rolls down and closes neatly. Ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee, or a handful of snacks. Really cool idea. All right. And last, it was separated, but here it is. It is a Phantom Chef pan. It is 8 inches from the Grove collection, $40. Oh, this bundle was $55. So the frying pan is $40. This is what it looks like. I didn't see all of these colors listed when I was looking, but I do like the Grove collection. Oh, so here it is. Very nice for eggs and grilled cheese and pretty much anything. But look at this cool wooden handle. I really like cookware, bakeware. So this was really awesome. All right, so if you've seen the total value of this box, what do you guys think? We got a hat, we got a frying pan, we have a little Dutch oven, a cool fanny pack, we got the Beautinique eye mask, lunch bag, and lip balm. Trivia questions, the Coach earring and necklace set, and I feel like there was more, but that's it. That's a lot of stuff for this box. I think it's a great box, guys. Go check it out if you haven't already, and as always, stay safe.